name is Nestor Flores. My job at Top Tier Trees is crew support, operations, and safety. One of the most important thing about Top Tier Trees is the safety. That's why we have the chainsaw assessment. The chainsaw assessment consists of training the guys how to use the chainsaw correctly, wear a helmet all the time on the jobs, hearing protection, eye protections.
Well, I've got my ear protection, my eye protection. I need 3 points of contact. So I'm gonna put it between my legs, hold it here, make sure chain brake is on, pull it. If it's not warm, gotta put the choke on.
In this way to be able to do the jobs safely and professional.